There are moments where the world feels familiar, but something about it no longer aligns. A thought appears, and it doesn't feel like it came from you. A sound is heard, and it feels more meaningful than it should. A pattern emerges where none was expected, and slowly, the boundary between what is internal and what is external begins to feel less certain, not because the world has changed, but because the interpretation of it has. So what happens when the brain can no longer agree on what is real? In neuro-psychology, modern computational models describe perception as a prediction process. The brain does not passively receive reality. It actively constructs it. It generates expectations about what is happening, what should be happening, and what is likely to happen next. When these predictions align with sensory input, experience feels stable. But when the system loses alignment, the distinction between prediction and perception can begin to blur. Your brain is constantly guessing. It fills in missing information. It predicts meaning before full data arrives. This is efficient. It allows reality to feel continuous, but it also means you are never experiencing raw reality, only the brain's best estimate of it. When this system is stable, the world feels coherent. When it becomes unstable, competing interpretations begin to emerge. In some cases, the brain does not settle on a single interpretation. Instead, multiple prediction systems become active at once. Each system tries to explain what is happening, but they do not fully agree. So perception becomes fragmented, not because reality is unstable, but because interpretation is divided. When the brain assigns excessive importance to certain signals, neutral information can feel charged with meaning. Patterns may feel significant. Connections may feel intentional. The system becomes sensitive to signals that would normally be filtered out. This is not a change in the world itself, but in the weighting of interpretation. The brain normally operates through internal agreement. Different systems communicate. They converge on shared interpretations. But when this coordination weakens, internal consensus breaks down. One system may generate one interpretation, while another generates a different one, and both feel valid at the same time. Disagreement structure. What we experience as reality is not a direct feed from the world. It is a stabilized agreement between brain systems. When that agreement holds, the world feels solid. When it weakens, the boundaries of interpretation become less distinct, not because reality disappears, but because the construction of it becomes less unified. So what happens when reality prediction breaks down? It is not simply distortion. It is a loss of consensus between systems designed to create a single coherent world. So when reality itself feels uncertain, it is not always the world that has changed. It may be the system that constructs it. And even then, the brain does not stop trying to make sense of experience. It keeps building, keeps predicting, keeps searching for stability in a world that is always being interpreted.